One of the fundamental needs of man to be fulfilled is love/connection. And most men spend their entire lives trying for it. They buy flowers, send paragraphs of love messages at 2 a.m., hoping it will bring down all of a woman's walls. And they wonder why she still texts the guy who treats her like an option. Niccolò Machiavelli wrote a sentence 500 years ago that explains everything. One single rule that turns the entire game on its head. In this video, I'm going to give it to you exactly as he intended, then show you how to weaponize it in dating so powerfully that she will rearrange her entire life to keep you around. Stay until the end. The final 5 minutes are the darkest, most powerful application most men will never have the stomach to use. Let's begin. If you're new here, this is the Ruthless Romeo. We do not teach pickup lines. We teach power. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's get into it. The rule. Chapter 18 of The Prince. Men judge more by their eyes than by their hands. Everyone sees what you appear to be. Few experience what you really are. And those few dare not oppose the opinion of the many. The nuclear sentence, write it down. It is better that men judge you by the reputation you allow to exist than by the truth of your character. In dating terms, your reputation is the only thing she ever truly falls in love with. Your real personality remains forever partially hidden, and that mystery is your greatest weapon. Write this down. Tattoo it if you have to. Here is the rule you must burn into your mind. Men and women will always judge you by the reputation you allow to exist around you, not by the truth of your character. Your reputation is the only thing she truly falls in love with. Your real personality? She will never fully know it, and that is your greatest advantage. Why this works on female psychology. Women are hypersensitive to social proof and preselection. It's hardwired. In ancestral environments, the man surrounded by desire from other women was statistically the highest value male. Your brain can scream, "That's shallow," all day. Her hindbrain doesn't care. When you control the reputation that reaches her eyes and ears, you control the emotions she feels when she thinks about you. You become the prize before you've even opened your mouth. The 3 layers of reputation, the triangle of obsession. Layer 1, public reputation, what the world sees. Layer 2, private reputation, what she thinks only she sees. Layer 3, secret reputation, what you plant that she believes no one else knows. Master all 3 and she will become biologically addicted. Let me break them down with real examples. Layer 1, public reputation. This is social media, your boys, venue staff, her friends. Everything visible to the many. Concrete moves. Never post content that screams, "I need female attention." Post evidence of victory, status, and other women enjoying your presence. Never overt affection. Be known and greeted by staff and high-status men wherever you go. Have one extremely attractive female friend who occasionally comments fire emojis under your stories. Do not explain who she is. Ever. Delay responses so she always sees dozens of others engaging first. Result. Her social circle labels you, that guy every girl wants. Her hindbrain registers you as top tier before you even speak. Layer 2, private reputation. This is the version of you she thinks she alone gets access to. Key principle. Give her privileged, but controlled, information. Examples. Let her accidentally glimpse proof of options, locked phone screens, ambiguous notifications. Disappear for 24 to 72 hours without explanation, then return warm and sexual. Share calculated stories of past women who still desire you, delivered with amusement, never bitterness. Refuse to justify your time or attention when questioned. This layer is where dread lives. Dread is not a tactic. It is the natural byproduct of a correctly built reputation. Layer 3, secret reputation, the obsession trigger. This is the darkest and most powerful. You deliberately plant the idea that you are desired by women she considers above her. Methods. Allow brief, unacknowledged glimpses of locked accounts or high follower counts. Use misdirection audio, voice notes, overheard calls that imply elite options. When directly confronted, answer with calm ambiguity. Some things are more exciting when left unsaid. Never confirm, never deny, never console. Her imagination fills the vacuum with fantasies far more potent than reality. The reputation loop. How obsession becomes self-reinforcing. Once the 3 layers are running, she begins protecting your reputation for you. She brags to friends. She polices other women. She invests her own social capital into the narrative that you are the prize. At this point, walking away costs her more than it costs you. That is true power. The 5 maintenance laws. Never break these. Never declare love or commitment first. Never apologize for having options. Never explain absences longer than 72 hours. Never allow her to become your primary source of validation. Keep her friends envious, never hostile. Violation of any law collapses the entire structure. The nuclear reset, when frame is lost. If she ever begins treating you as a safe provider. Immediate 48 to 96-hour total radio silence. Post the single strongest pre-selection display possible, no caption. Resume contact only if she reinvests heavily. Outcome is binary. She either returns submissive or exits permanently. Both are victories. Addressing the morality objection. Yes, this is manipulation. So is every filter, push-up bra, vague, talking stage, and hidden body count. The sexual marketplace was never fair. We simply refused to lose. Final distillation, the one sentence to live by. Machiavelli's #1 rule for female obsession. Control the reputation that exists in her mind and in the minds of everyone around her, and you control her emotions completely. She will fall in love with the myth you allow to exist. That myth will always outshine any authentic man who reveals everything. That is the ruthless truth. Closing call to action. If this hit you like a cold blade, like this video. Subscribe. New ruthless law every Thursday. Comment, the ruthless Romeo, below if you're done being the lover and ready to become the legend. Fox by cunning. Lion by force. Romeo by result. See you in the next one.